Happy New Year and thank you for selecting this video. Well, my name is Jasmine and welcome to Excited for Coupons, where I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And today I'm going to be sharing with you all those best deals for the new act. We believe it's a new Sunday of the first Sunday of 2019, and there's so many great deals. Also, because we have so many good inserts coming up this Sunday as well. So you're going to be seeing a lot of offers. So just be patient because there's a lot of good deals. And most of them are coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. So let's just get started. The first deal I want to share with you is the Almay Cosmetics. We're also going to be getting coupons. It's going to be $2 for eye makeup and $1 for lip. So an idea is if you buy the eyeshadow and the lipstick, it will be $14.98 since you do have to spend $15. Also, if you have a CRT, I did get a CRT for Almay, deducting $5 when you spend $15. So if you do have it, this will be a good deal because from $14.98 you pay $6.98, you get back 5 ECB, making it just 99 cents for each of those items. Another great deal we're going to be getting is Boost. They're going to be on special for $6.99. There's going to be a coupon on the Smart Stores that you could use 2 of those, which is going to deduct $10 total. So from $27.96, you pay $17.96. But at the end of that receipt, you're going to get 10 ECB when you buy 4 items, making it just $1.99. But be on the lookout because sometimes we do get CRTs for Boost drink, and it will make it a good deal, even better deal actually. CoverGirl, there's 2 deals I'm going to share with you. This is the one that you normally see, which is for the eyebrow pencil. The coupon is going to be for a little bit less. It's going to be for $2 instead of $3. And also it's going to be on the CVS app. So buy 2 of the brow pencil, use 2 of those coupons. You pay $5.98, you get back 5 ECB, making it 49 cents. But I think this offer right now, it will make it a money maker since the coupon is $3 if you're going to do the one that ends this Saturday. This is a new deal. This is a new mascara I've seen for $10.99. So it's going to be on special for $8.99. You could use that coupon that we're getting this Sunday. This is going to deduct $2. So you pay $6.99, you get back 5 ECB, making it $1.99, which is a good deal for a new item. And like I said, I've seen it for $10.99 regular price. Another great deal is going to be for the Colgate mouthwash. If you do have any CRTs for mouthwash or for Colgate items, it's going to be a sweet deal. So you buy 2 of the mouthwash for $3.99. Use 2 coupons and use that CRT if you have any. And you pay $4.98. You get back 4 ECB, $2 for each, making it 49 cents each. This is a really good deal for Colgate. It's very easy to do. You don't get any ECBs. You could just use that coupon that we're going to get this Sunday. And also everybody's going to be getting an instant coupon once you scan your card. So just make sure you do scan your card before starting the deal. I've also seen that the offer is more for Optic White, 2-in-1 and Max. And the coupon I've seen it more for Optic White. So that's why I'm showing you that in the picture, which is going to make it free with those coupons. I love Garnier Skin Active offers. And they have so many new items, and we're going to be getting coupons this Sunday as well. I've also been seeing a lot of CRTs for cleansers and also for Garnier. So if you have any, it will make it a really good deal. So I'm showing you I'm showing you this option, which is the cleanser and the moisturizer. You can use a coupon, $2 for the cleanser, $3 for the moisturizer, and that CRT that I mentioned. So from $16.98, you will pay $8.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it $1.99, which is a really good deal for Garnier products. And just remember, you could just mix and match depending on the coupons you do have and what you see in your store. So next will be any General Mills cereal. It does show the picture of the Cheerios, but I've noticed that it does says it could be any General Mills, and it's from those ounces. Also, the coupon that I saw, it does have a lot of General Mills options in there, so you could just mix and match. The deal is if you buy 4 for $1.99, you use that coupon deducting 2 of 4, you get 50 cents ECB, making it just $1.37 on each cereal box. This one I wanted to include because it's very expensive and it does seem like a good vitamins, and since there's so many vitamins deals, I wanted to share one at least with you. This is from Urban Naturals Beetroot. It's for $19.99. There is a printable, which I'm going to provide in the description box. And also, if you have any CRTs for vitamins, you can use it as well. So from $19.99, you pay $13.99. You get back 5 ECB when you spend $20. And also, I've seen offers for checkout 51. If it's still available for that Sunday, you could submit your receipt, making it $6.99. I'm going to show you two different options for Tresemme, and also the reason why I'm doing two different products like Tresemme and L'Oreal is because I wanted to take advantage of that CRT that we sometimes see, deducting 4 off 18 on any hair products. So what you could do is buy two Tresemme, buy two L'Oreal. You could use a coupon for Tresemme, a coupon for L'Oreal. That's the CRT that I mentioned, and everybody's going to be getting an instant coupon for L'Oreal hair care. So from 18 you pay 3. You get back 2 ECB for the Tresemme, making it just 25 cents for each hair care product. This is another deal in case you want to buy the Tresemme or the Dove hair care. So you buy the Tresemme and the Dove hair care. So the total will be $18. You use a coupon for the Tresemme, deducting 5, 3 for the Dove, and that CRT that I mentioned, that is for hair care. So from 18 you pay 6, but you're going to be getting ECBs, 2 for the Tresemme and 2 for the Dove, making it $2 for everything, or just 50 cents each. I just wanted to show you two deal ideas in case you want to use that CRT. Another item that's going to be on special is the L'Oreal hair color. At least the price I've seen is for $9.49. We're expecting a coupon that you could use for the Excellence. There's a few that you could use for that coupon. And a lot of the times we also get a CRT for hair color. So if you do have that CRT, you could use it as well. So from $18.98, you pay $11.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it $3.49. Maybelline Cosmetics is going to be on special, and we're going to be getting finally some coupons. Here's an idea that you could get the single eyeshadow and this mascara. So from $9.98 you pay $4.98. Using the CRT, I've seen a lot of, most of the cards I've seen last week was offering a CRT for Maybelline. So if you do have it, you could use this. So you pay $4.98, you get back 5 ECB, making it free. But if you want to do a deal, trying out some new products, I've seen this new in some of the stores. You could buy the new mascara and the single eyeshadow. So from $11.48 you pay $6.48 using that CRT if you do have it for Maybelline, and a mascara coupon. Then you get back 5 ECB, making it just 74 cents each, which is a pretty good deal, especially for this new mascara that it comes in different colors as well. So the next deal is the Mitchum deodorant. This is going to be buy one get one 50% off, and we're going to be getting a coupon as well. So the price I've seen is for $4.39. So once you combine those two, it will be $6.59. You deducting $2 will be $4.59. You get back 3 ECB when you buy 2, making it just 79 cents for this deodorant, which is a pretty good deal. Next, we're going to talk about the, I don't even know how to say this, Ocuvite eye vitamin and mineral. These are vitamins. I was surprised there's vitamins and minerals for eyes. These are not drops, so I don't know if you're going to be able to use the CRT for vitamins, since these are actually, I think they're pills. But I'm just showing you a deal without the CRT. So you buy 2 for $26.24. It's buy one get one 50% off. Use 2 coupons, get the 5 ECB, making it $5.62 from $26.24. This is one of those vitamins that my son loves, but they're a little expensive. Sometimes I do see Ibotta cashback for these. I haven't seen anything yet, but at least there's a coupon and you're getting cash and you're getting ECB back. So from $14.99, use a coupon, get back 5 ECB, it will be $6.99. It's a pretty good deal from $14.99. Hopefully we'll see some type of cashback, which make it a sweeter deal. And if you have any CRTs that goes up to $14, it will be even sweeter. Revlon Cosmetics, we're also getting coupons from those. I've also seen CRTs. I also got a CRT deducting 4 off 16. So I just wanted to share a deal idea in case you also have that CRT. So you could buy 2 of the Revlon Cosmetics, at least the lipstick, or you could just mix and match. You just want to reach $16. There's going to be different coupons available, so you could use 2 and also that CRT. Once you get the 5 ECB, it will just be $1.79. The last thing I want to share with you is this Skintimate or Edge Gel. The ad shows that we're going to be getting a coupon deducting 1, but in my database, I didn't see which book is going to come in. So that's why I put expected. I've seen it for $3.79. You use that coupon, you get back to ECB, and it will be just 79 cents. But I don't know which insert is going to come in, since I just saw the $, that coupon in the app. These are some of the best deals that I was able to find and put together quickly. I hope you're getting prepared and you're enjoying this new year for so many savings. I invite you to subscribe because I also want to share with you all of my savings for 2018, since I do add all of my receipts in a spreadsheet so you don't miss out on that. So I invite you to subscribe. Also, if there's any coupons you want to print, they're going to be in the description box. If you have any comments, you can leave them in the comment section. And also, I'm going to provide other deals also on my blog and on Instagram. You can follow me there too. So thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year. And on to the next video. Bye.